turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. To access and replace the tail light bulbs, you must open the car trunk and take out the light block. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Turn your engine off. To remove the light block, you must first take out the 3 screws which are located in the joint of the trunk door. To do this, use a socket screwdriver and a 20mm Torx socket. Extract the light block, pivoting it upwards, then pulling towards you. Remove the connection to the connector board by pushing on the plastic tab with your index finger or while pulling it outwards. To access the bulbs, you must open the 5 plastic tabs which hold the connector board in place. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a 1/4 turn. To replace one, all you have to do is push and screw in with a 1/4 turn. To reassemble the whole thing, carefully put the connector board in place, then push down so the tabs clip it in. Reconnect the connector. Then fix the block in place by turning the Torx screws. Operation completed.